Hello and welcome back to How Not to Make Linguine Carbonara with peas and bacon. There's some ingredients right here, and on the back you can see the steps. Really the majority of them just involve stirring things together. So the first thing that you're going to see me doing is I will be putting some olive oil into a packet with the garlic. So I just drizzled that on, put it together with the bacon, drop that into the oven, which is preheated to 425 degrees. Now you see me delicately dropping some linguine into boiling water. It won't be there long because I fast forwarded to the part where I'm taking it off. So next thing, I've heated up some butter on the stove here, putting in some garlic cloves. Next thing, we'll be pouring in the peas and pretty much just stirring that up. Again, I really just fast forwarded the majority of these steps and this process. So season it with some salt and pepper real quick. And then next thing, we're also going to go ahead and stir in this case, about 1/3 cup of the reserved pasta cooking water. Next step, you've also got the cream cheese that we're combining here right now. As you can see, it's taking its time there. Anyway, out from the oven comes the bacon. I did not burn it, and I spent the next however long trying to chop it up. It was a pain. That's why I decided to keep it in the video here. It definitely was not this fast. This is 10 times faster than I actually did it in real life. So anyway, now that I'm done chopping the bacon, I made a paste with a fork out of the roasted garlic there, and I'm going to drop that right into the pan with everything else going on there. So next step, we are going to go ahead and stir in the drained pasta, the chopped bacon, and coming up is some Parmesan. And of course, some more splashes of the reserved pasta cooking water. So we're trying to coat it in a nice creamy sauce. And moving right along, we also add some more butter, pepper, salt, more Parmesan, do a little stirring, and also, apparently, to have more authentic carbonara, you can add in some egg yolk. So that's actually a little bit of the process you see going on there. I've already gone ahead and separated what I'll have for leftovers. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.